Hi friends, welcome to my Dilshi Academy. Let's learn some simple past tense sentences. Today we are going to learn went. She went out. She went home. She went inside. She went shopping. She went with him. I went on reading. I went to bed after eating. I went to the zoo yesterday. I know that he went to London. He went by bicycle. He went to the dentist. He went in place of me. He went to see her last month. The alarm went off. Everything went black. All of them went there. My father went fishing. After that, he went home. Everything went smoothly. Do you know where he went? That company went bankrupt. She went with him to the movie. I went there because I wanted to. We went to London last year. We went to the park to play. It's about time we went back. She put on her coat and went out. I went to bed late last night. I went camping with my family. I went for a walk in the park. I went for a walk with my son. She went to the airport to see him. She went out to buy some food. The children went out to play. He went school. I went to bed a little later than usual. It's about time we went to bed. She went to the museum by taxi. I ate a burger, then went to bed. She went for a walk with him this morning. That's all for today. Still you didn't subscribe me? Please subscribe me and click the bell icon. Stay with me more grammar lessons and spoken English lessons with my Dilshi Academy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.